Good morning, dear students. Now today we will continue the chapter 7 unit 3 method. Today I explain the extra questions based on unit 3 method. There are 60 minutes in an hour. How many minutes are there in 15 hours? Here the question is, there are 60 minutes in an hour. It means in 1 hour, how many minutes be there? 60. And we will find out that in 15 hours, how many minutes will be there. So in this question, what we will do? We multiply it. In first line, we write in 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. And in second line, we write 15 hours is equals to 15 multiplied by 60 minutes. Children, you remember that if the cost of one is given and we find out the cost of many items, then we multiply. Here, in 1 hour, the minutes will be given, that is 60. We find out in 15 hours how many minutes, so we multiply. Now, we do the working here. We arrange these numbers in vertical column. 15 multiplied by 60. Now 0 is multiplied by 5, then 0 comes. 0 is multiplied by 1, then 0 comes. If any number is multiplied by 0 or 0 is multiplied by any number, then the result will be 0. Now put the 1 cross here, then 6 multiplied by 5, then comes 30. We write 0 and put 3, carry over here. Then 6 is multiplied by 1, then comes 6 and we add 3, that's 9. We get it. Now we add this to 0, 0 plus 0 is 0 and there is 9. How many minutes will be there? That is 900 minutes. Hence, there are 900 minutes in 15 hours. Now the next question, if the cost of 12 pencils is rupees 24, find the cost of 8 pencils. Now here is given that the cost of 12 pencils is rupees 24 and we find out the cost of 8 pencils. So first we will find out the cost of 1 pencil. Then only we will find out the cost of 8 pencils. So first we divide it, then we multiply. We write the statement in this way. Cost of 12 pencils is equals to rupees 24. Cost of 1 pencil is equals to rupees 24 divided by 12. Now we divide it 24 and 12. You know the table of 12. How many times the 24 comes in the table of 12? That is 2 times. 12 2s are 24. So our quotient is 2. Rupees 2. The cost of 1 pencil is rupees 2. Now we find out the cost of 8 pencils is equals to rupees 2 multiplied by 8. Then comes 16. The cost of 8 pencil is rupees 16. Now the next question, 1 dozen oranges cost rupees 60. What will be the cost of 7 oranges? Children, here 1 dozen oranges cost to be given and we will find out the cost of 7 oranges. So first convert 1 dozen in items, that how many oranges be there in 1 dozen. We know that in 1 dozen, how many oranges, that in 1 dozen, the 12 oranges. So we write in first line, cost of 1 dozen, that is equals to 12 oranges, is equals to rupees 60. It means cost of 12 oranges is equals to rupees 60, and we find out the cost of 1 orange is equals to rupees 60 divided by 12. Then only we can find out the cost of 7 oranges. Now we divide it. 60 divided by 12. In table of 12, how many times the 60 comes? We know 12 5s are 60. We write here rupees 5. Now we find out the cost of 7 oranges is equals to rupees 7 multiplied by 5. Then 35 rupees, 35 comes. So what will be the cost of 7 oranges? The cost of 7 oranges is rupees 35. Now the next question, 12 kg vegetables cost rupees 108. Find the cost of 5 kg vegetables. Now children, first we write cost of 12 kg vegetables is equals to rupees 108. In second line we write cost of 1 kg vegetables is equals to rupees 108 divided by 12. Now we do the working here. 108 is divided by 12. We know the table of 12. How many times 108 comes in table of 12? That is 9 times. 12 nines are 108. 0, 0, 0. We write here rupees 9. Cost of 1 kg vegetables is rupees 9. Now we find out the cost of 5 kg vegetables is equals to rupees 5 multiplied by 9. Now children, you know the table of 5. 5 nines are 45. So here rupees 45 comes, and this is the cost of 5 kg vegetables. Now what is the cost of 5 kg vegetables? The cost of 5 kg vegetables is rupees 45.